Hi YouTube, it's Nisha Joe and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be about what's in my hoe bag. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be called a hoe bag. It's just an overnight bag that I do keep in my trunk just in case I don't feel like going home. I got this from Aldo. And it probably was like maybe $50 or $60. So let's get into it. Of course, you see that I do keep my toothbrush in here, in the middle here. I have Dove body wash, toothpaste, and I also have chapstick. This is Burt's Bees coconut and pear. I do have deodorant. It is Degree for Men. Listen, I have hyperhidrosis and I sweat a lot. So yes, I do use a lot of men's deodorant. Don't be talking about me. I do have a bag of razors now just because you just don't know what can happen. Like right now I'm in the process of getting laser hair removal. So I don't like to shave that often. I kind of like to let the hair grow back and see how much progress I'm getting from the treatments. I might be out and unshaved and then, you know, my boo thing want me to come over and be like, hold on, let me go get my little bag of razors out and I'll be in there. I do work every day, so I have to make sure I have a uniform with me. Along with the uniform, you have to have a pair of, these are a pair of Nike Theas. I love this shoe. This is my favorite shoe right now. I have a couple of face towels, and of course I have underclothes, bra, panties, and a couple pairs of socks. I have a little bottle of lotion. It is Avena. Just recently bought like a little traveler's pack or whatever so I can stop packing my big stuff in here. So this really came in handy. The office that I visit for my chemical peels and all my little beauty shit, you accumulate points and you're allowed to like pick out whatever you want. So I picked out this facial cleanser and sunscreen. So I don't use it like that because I really don't stay at nobody's house no more. It looks like a Hello Kitty pouch. I probably got this from the hair store somewhere. I do have tampons in here. I like these short ones because, you know, they can fit into little spaces like this. I got like 8 in there, and then I have Magnum's Bare Skin. I can't really do the latex thing. So, yeah, I like these ones. Are they expired? Just have like a little pocket in the back here. In the pocket, I have big old pad, which is don't ask. I do have Tylenol just in case you know, you might have a little headache or a little hangover. I don't know. I also have these cleansing cloths in here. I also like to keep something to sleep in, so I just have a pair of Aeropostale sweatpants and a little cami, some body spray in my bag, and last but not least, a bonnet. Not even a scarf, but a bonnet, because to me, even if I have my hair like flat ironed and wrapped, like I can still put a bonnet on and be cool. A scarf is just not gonna fit on everything, but a bonnet can fit on any hairstyle, any braids, curls, whatever you got, a bonnet. And we only there for the night anyway, so. Yes, guys, that is what's in my hoe bag or overnight bag. If you have a bag video that you would like me to see, please tag me in your video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all got some hoe bags in y'all trunk.